Grimes, I've heard the yellow fever's been spreading around this town, and I've come to stop it. Is that hit Nicktoons character Carl Wheezer? Like, of course it is, man. Who else would it be? The one and only Carl Wheezer. Oi, Carl, are you here to help eradicate the mosquitoes? Of course I am, man. In fact, I think I might see one right now, Rick. Carl, you bloody massacred him. Rick's dead. Why did you even do that? What did he do? Oh, God. Oh, God. I think I'm going to be sick. Oh, Lordy. He got infected, man. Like, Joseph, man, I'm going to have to explain the symptoms to you first. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting, headaches, fevers, obviously, muscle and joint pain, anal bleeding, as well as the yellowing of eyes and skin. The disease is spread through those dirty, disgusting mosquitoes. After my past 5 seconds of research, I've determined that we're going to have to go to Springfield in order to eradicate the mosquitoes. But, Carl, how could we possibly get there? Like, I may not have a brain, but I have an idea.
Now, how do I start an F-16? The question's real, I stole an F-16. Flip the master, all the lights begin to feel. I stole an F-16. Set the fuel pump, start the number 2. I stole an F-16. Engines whining as the turbines chew. I stole an F-16. Turn the RER power on bright. I stole an F-16. Horizon centered, the line set right. I stole an F-16.
Who are you? Have you seen anything sus around these parts?
No, I didn't see anything that is so-called sus, but hi, I am Chris Pratt.
Eat my shorts. Ay caramba. Eat my shorts. Ay caramba.
I am inevitable.
Sorry, man, but I had to rely on my Second Amendment rights.
He's eating that bloody dog. I'll never stand for this.
Like, I agree, man. We shouldn't stand for this.
Is that our best buddy in the whole wide world? Nightmare Freddy? How long has he been here? Has he been here this whole time?
Like, we gotta go finish this, man.
Domain expansion. The Blight of 87.